G'day, I'm James Horton from Westcan. Today I'm down at Kelmscott Senior High School, and today we're looking at finding out why this fire hose reel isn't getting any water to it. Hasn't been active for a while, so I'm working with the plumbers just to trace where the line is going and see if we can find some valves along the line. So I've been through and put my locator on it, connected to the copper pipe, and as you can see, a copper pipe coming down to the concrete here, comes across, and I located an old valve here. It was well hidden, it was covered over. The greenskeepers had put all the mulch and everything over it, and at the moment the plumber's just been trying to crack that valve and just see whether the seat has actually been locked in the bottom there. So far we haven't been able to get water to it. But if we have a look, you can actually see that the copper line comes through, along, and they've put an additional building on here, and lo and behold, the copper line is going straight underneath. So at some stage the builders have come along, either haven't seen it, but they've actually built over the top of this fire service. So as we come through and around, you can see where it's going. It's coming around the other side. There's James the plumber turning valves, trying to find out which one's going to operate it. As you can see, we're on the other side of the building here. Our red line is our fire hydrant line coming through. It's come along, it's 0.6 deep here. And at some stage they've done some changes here, because it actually comes around here, does a 90-degree bend, comes along, and then drops down about 600-700 mil and then onto a blue brute. So it's tapping it into a blue brute line. So at the moment we've discovered where it's coming to, but we're just trying to find out which valve is going to activate and turn on the water. Unless at some stage, when they did all the renovations, they've actually capped it off. So that's what we're trying to find out at the moment. We've actually located the line, but it just goes to show you when they do an extension or additional buildings, how they can actually build over the top of a service. And yeah, it takes a bit of mucking around to actually locate and find where things are going. So, all right, so we'll get back to it. We'll just get some water going on this fire service and get it up and running. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.